Kaze everyone. So today we're gonna discuss the difference between a store-bought soap versus a handmade soap. So this is a handmade vegan soap and we're comparing it to Dove. For those of you who don't know, Dove is not really real soap. I don't know if you can see. Let me put it on here, but this is Dove. You can see. Versus a handmade this is handmade aloe vera soap with lavender essential oil and fresh aloe vera gel with shea butter, coconut oil, and olive oil. And this has so many ingredients in it. I'm gonna list it over here. Look at all these ingredients. Anyways, so first we'll go into the ingredients, the difference in ingredients, and then we'll cut it, like shave it, and see how, like, the texture and, you know, how smooth it is, or how crunchy and like powdery it is. So, and then did I say, well, first go over the ingredients and then the texture and the color of the soaps, and then the leathering. We'll see how much bubble the Dove produce and how much bubble the handmade vegan aloe vera soap produces. First, let's start with Dove, the ingredients. So it comes in this box. It's usually like a 2-pack or 6-pack. I will admit their soaps are cheaper than handmade soaps, but we'll find out why they are cheaper than handmade soaps. So it comes in a little box, and it doesn't have the ingredients on the box. It has the ingredients on a little plastic wrap that you usually just throw away. I feel like they should have the ingredients on the actual box. People tend to keep the box more than the plastic wrap. This is just like you unwrap it and then you throw it in the trash. This is more like you open it and then you're reading it. But like, where's the ingredients? You know, it should be on here, not on the wrap. Oh, let's see. This is the aloe vera soap. It comes wrapped in 100% recyclable, biodegradable paper. And it's simple. It just has my logo in front and then the ingredients on the back. So first we're gonna read the ingredients for the Dove, and then we'll read the ingredients for the aloe vera vegan soap. So yeah, so it comes in a box and the ingredients are here. I will list them on the screen, and I'll also take a screenshot of it and show you guys, so you don't think that I'm making this up. And of course, I can't read most of them or pronounce most of them. Sodium lauryl, isotonate, stearic acid, lauric acid, sodium oleate, water, sodium acetonate, sodium stearate, and then glycerine, sodium laurate, tensile sodium antijonate, tensile sodium EDTA, sodium chloride, Colin OR, titanium dioxide. So I know what titanium, honestly, the only 2 words that I know in this is the sodium, where is it? They don't even have sodium hydroxide in here. That's funny, because you need lye is sodium hydroxide. That's what you need to make soap. It has bleach. This is not even soap. Like, if it doesn't have sodium hydroxide, it's not soap. It's something else that produces bubbles and cleanses your body, but has harsh chemicals. But yeah, those are the ingredients. Let me see if I can share with you. I just think it's funny how they don't put the ingredients on the box, but they put it on this wrapping paper that you just throw away in the trash. Like, this is how you know people don't even care about reading. Like, you see the ingredients on there? What's up? Where they put the ingredients? I don't know. I'll take a picture of it and I ripped it out so badly because I thought the ingredients was gonna be listed on the box. But anyways, those are the ingredients for the Dove soap. Let me see. Let me just count how many there is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 ingredients in this little soap. This little soap has 15 ingredients in it. 15. 15 ingredients all combined to make this little soap. So yeah, I mentioned the only 2 ingredients. I know titanium dioxide is a sort of bleach as well. It lightens up any like soap batter. It like turns it white. You can control how white you want the batter to be, like the mixture. Like if you want your soap to turn really white, like how white this one is, you put more titanium dioxide. I don't use titanium dioxide in my soap, but I know a lot of soap makers who use titanium dioxide. It is not, I don't know if it's vegan or not, but I'm pretty sure it's not good for your skin. It's not the best thing for your skin. I'm not gonna say it's not good for your skin, but it's not the best thing for your skin. It's not beneficial to your skin. That's the right word. It's not beneficial to your skin. Like, it's not giving your skin anything. It's not feeding your skin anything. So yeah, that's how I know titanium dioxide. It turns your soap really, really white based on how much solution you put in. Based on how much titanium dioxide you put in the mixture. And the sodium chloride, obviously, which is bleach. We have sodium chloride in our water as well, so make sure you filter your water before you drink it. Anyways, let's read the ingredients for our vegan aloe vera soap. All plant-based, no harsh chemical, and no animal products. So the ingredients are aloe vera, lavender essential oil, shea butter, coconut oil, olive oil, and lye. That's it. I'm not sure if you guys can read it, but that's the total ingredients. Let me count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ingredients. 6 ingredients in this big old soap versus 15 ingredients in this one. All right, so we got that part out of the way, the ingredients. Now we're going to test the texture of the soap. I'm gonna carve it out and see like how it feels, how flaky it is, and all that stuff. So this is fun. All right, so let's move in a little closer here. So I have some shreds of my regular soaps that I make. I'm actually not gonna mix this into this shreds because I reuse these to make my soaps. And let me see. Let me get something to put those. Like, okay. I'm just gonna use this plastic container for this soap. So this is a close-up for the Dove. And this is the close-up for my aloe vera soap, vegan soap. All right, so let's go ahead and test the texture for this one. Move out of the way, Dove. Okay, so you see that? Let me see if I can find. Okay, so let's do this one. Okay, you see? Let's see the texture. Look at how smooth. Like, look at. You see how smooth it is? It just comes off so smoothly, you know? I mean, I'm not gonna do the whole thing because I still have to test it. So I'll probably use this for my own personal use. But you see how smooth it just, I don't know, I wish you guys could try it, but like me slicing this, it just comes out smoothly. No, it's not flaking. Everything is all stuck together. No flakes, no nothing. Let me just reshape it. Okay. All right. No flakes, no nothing. Now let's do the stove. So here we go. First of all, look. It creates these little rings when I'm, y'all see that? I don't know if I'm showing like the, y'all see those little rings it shows? It's not even coming off. It's like shredding, like I'm just shredding it. And it's dusty too, I don't know why. Okay, look. Okay, you guys can't see really clearly, but oh, it went on my oh my goodness. Okay, so you guys see how flaky it is? Like, I'm not even trying to do this. This is literally how it's just coming off. It comes off in this little, it just comes up in this little ring stuff. Look, and then this is how it comes off. Why is it so flaky? What the heck? I can literally do this whole thing because I'm not even gonna use it. It's going in the trash. Look at the pieces that came out. Y'all see these pieces? Look at these little pieces versus the slices that came off my soap. These are the slices that came off. It's like actual slices. What this proves is that the Dove is more drying to your skin, and the Aloe Vera is more moisturizing. This test, it's to prove how moisturizing it is to your skin. It's to prove how moisturizing it is to your skin. So the more together it is, it's like it's stuck together. The more it is stuck together, the better it is. See this one, I can't even pick it up, but okay, I was able to pick up one. Y'all see that? Very drying to your skin. So we went over the ingredients, we went over the texture of the soap, and also how, so we went over the ingredients and we went over the texture of the soap and how moisturizing it is to your body. So we're gonna go ahead and try it out in a shower, like in a sink, and test the leather of the soap to see how much bubbles it produces. This is supposed to produce more leather because they use a chemical. I don't know which chemical it is. They use a chemical that helps it produce more bubbles. So, and this is all natural. So either way, we'll see how much bubbles that comes out of this and how much bubbles that comes out of this one. Okay, so we're gonna try the leather for the Dove soap first. Okay, hope you guys can see. Okay, nice leather, of course, because they added some. Okay, let's see. Add more water. That's how you activate the bubbles. Okay, that's the leather. You see how like close together it is? They're like so close together. They're not like big separate bubbles. Let's see. Those are the bubbles for the Dove soap. Let me get more in case anyone in the comment. Those are the bubbles. It has good bubbles. Washing off my hands. Okay, you step aside. Now we're gonna try the aloe vera soap. I'll get ready with some water, not even a lot of tries. A little bit more water. Okay. Y'all see the bubbles? They come out so clean too. So they have almost the same bubbles, almost the same leather. But guess what? I didn't use any special ingredients, chemical to help with the bubbles. This is all natural bubbles. All natural bubbles. Look at those good bubbles. Ah, it smells so good. It smells like lavender. But yeah, those are the letters for the lavender vegan soap. I'm gonna wash it off. And we're done. All right, so that is all for our soaps today. We tried out our store-bought Dove soap and our homemade vegan soap. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like this kind of video, please give this video a thumbs up so I will know and produce more of these content. And also, if you're new, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It's your way of supporting my channel so that I can keep creating more contents like this. I hope you enjoy. I'll see you again in my next one. Amahoro.